Well, yesterday I went to Five Below and I saw this robot remote control robot T-Rex and makes a sound and it almost sounds like Godzilla from the movie. Honestly, this robot looks like it could be from a B horror movie of Godzilla. Look at this. This is adorable. I wish you had an LED light in here. I mean, if it was me, I would try to put an LED light in there, just so that way it seems like he's angry and he's attacking with a laser ray. But this is hilarious. I can't. Next Godzilla movie, this could be the next character that Godzilla will fight.